Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your GNC order. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so an important note. So once you click send my order and place your order, basically GNC system starts processing it right away and you can't cancel or change it online. But you do have a few options. So the few options are, so if you need to try cancel it before the order ships, we can contact GNC directly or as soon as possible before it ships. So we've got a few options. So we can activate live chat. So we can go ahead and click on start chat, sign into your account and just chat with the support team. So put in your first name, last name, the email that you signed up or you've got the order with, your phone, and also how can we help you, and then go ahead and click onto my order and then click on start chatting and just basically say, hey, I'd like to cancel this order, give them the order number and they'll go through the process to cancel that order for you. Or we can go ahead and give them a call as well. So I'm just going to go to their contact us page. Here it is here. So I'm at the bottom of the page here. So, all right, so our customer service agent are here to help you and answer your questions. So you can give that number a call. We've got the time slots where you can call during, so give them a call and basically say you'd like to cancel that order. Also, you can go ahead and send them an email. So their email is, I can't see it here, but I'll just copy and paste it because I've already got it. So that's their email. So it's customer service at gnc-hq.com, and basically state you'd like to cancel that order and give them the order number, your email, your name, phone number, and all that information so they can go ahead and cancel that order. Now, if you want to go ahead and cancel your order, you can also let the order go through and receive the order, and then we can return the order after it arrives. So basically here I'm just at the return section of gnc.com. Now they've got a 30-day money back guarantee return policy, which is good. So they've got in-store returns, returns by mail, returns from Amazon or an authorized GNC retailer. So just go through whichever way you've ordered it and just make sure to pack the item securely in the original box if possible, and then mail it back to a GNC fulfillment center or return it to a GNC store. Then once the GNC receives your return, your refund will be processed back to original payment method.